Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 14th. In this additional we have one puzzle left. It's a tectonic one. Today is actually Thursday, July the 15th, 2021, because we have only one regular Sudoku medium, and no additional with extra Sudokus. I have decided to make the rest of the puzzles. Those are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku I've just solved, and the last one, it will be a tectonic one, tectonic with 1 star. Alright, and this one will be a number 3103. Okay, 3103. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 5, 15. Printed digits. Alright. For 1-star Sudoku or puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here a single box. The single box is always a 1. Dual boxes, can we see here dual boxes? Dual box, it contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. See here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More triple box. I missed this one. It's also a dual box. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here quadra box. Yeah. These 2 boxes. Wait. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Okay. More quadra boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, those are the... Here we have a quadra box. And if you see a quadra box in an L shape or in an L figure structure or construction with 4 boxes, not 5. Here we have 5, but 4. If you see that one, remember that this box, the inside box, is always a 5. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me do this. The L shape. Upside down, this one. Okay. Remember that this box is always the same number as that box. So it's a 3. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. More L shape. Here L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 4. Those are the L shapes. Then we have another shape here. Come on. Yes. Okay, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. This shape. Yeah, this shape. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And also, do we have more of this kind shapes here? Another one. So this box, but rotated, has the same number as that box. Here another one, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, those are the 3 boxes here. I missed this one. It's the same as that one. This box has the same number as that box. I've missed one. Okay. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Only 3 shapes or figures in this puzzle that you need to know, that you need to recognize. Then it's simple to start filling the numbers. All right. These 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. All right. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there. All right. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4 in this L shape, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 boxes left in this L shape area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this shape area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here the 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. Well. These. Wait. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this cross area. one of the missing numbers a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright, this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped quadra box. For the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. This number is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. Alright, that means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 or a 5. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2 or 5. So these 2 boxes, the other pair in this L shape, should be the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we need a 5 here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. So now we have 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. Okay. The 5 is also missing. Okay. Yeah. 3. I'm thinking. I think this should be also 1 or 5. Okay. Come on. 2. Well, 4, 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Okay. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Okay. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. 3, 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1 or a 5. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 2? So 1 digit left should be a 4. Alright. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Of course, because this box is connected with that box. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1 or a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 there. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Finishing 60 minutes. Ooh, I'm a little bit slower. Yes, not 1 star, but 2 stars. Wow, publisher, surprising. Yes. I didn't manage to solve this faster than 50 minutes, so well, not so pleased, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the letter Sudoku, playlist for the tectonics, playlist for the binary puzzles, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudokus, and also for the quintuplets. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.